Right, so here are the triangles. I did a total of 3 problems for this one. Again, though I wrote the formula there for you, area equals 1/2 base times height. For reference of base and height, base is the one at the bottom, so I will write base here, and 10 centimeters would be considered the height. Notice that there are dots going up. That is trying to reference to you that that is considered the height, with 8 as the base. So when we are working on this problem, we have area equals 1/2 base times height. So we have 1/2, my base is 8, times my height, which is 10. I multiply 8 times 10. Remember, order of operations, we do the parentheses first. So what's 8 times 10? 80. So my next step would be half of 80, and half of 80 is 40. To give my answer, it would be 40. We're working in centimeters, and area always has to be squared. So you would put a 2 at the top, similar to an exponent. Box in my answer, and you can move on to the next one. For number 2, again, 5 would be considered the base. 6 is considered the height. So we have area equals 1/2 base times height. We have 1/2. My base is 5. My height is 6. So 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Half of 30 is 15. So my final answer would be 15. We're working in meters, and my answer would be squared. So 15 meters squared. The last one that we have is number 3. This triangle looks a little bit different than the ones that I have been doing, but that way you have a reference of multiple triangles so you're not confused when something comes up. So for this one, 6 would be the base, and 4 would be the height. Again, if you flip them around and you say that 4 is the base and 6 is the height, you're still going to get 6 times 4, which is 24, or 4 times 6, still 24. So don't stress it too much, because multiplication, we're able to get the same answer. As long as, of course, you're using the numbers given to you, you will be fine. So we have area equals 1/2 base times height. So we have 1/2, 6 times 4. We get 24, and half of 24 is 12. So my final answer would be 12 feet, and it needs to be squared. So 12 feet squared. Box it up, and we are good to go.